Welcome back to the Daily Stock Drop. Today we're diving headfirst into a stock that's been making some serious waves, leaving a trail of green in its wake. If you're an investor or even just curious about what makes a stock absolutely explode, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about Datavault AI, ticker symbol DVLT. And folks, it just shot up over 30% today. Yes, you heard that right, 30%. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of why this data-driven dynamo decided to go parabolic, I need to hit you with a quick but very important disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and any investment decisions you make should be based on your own research. All right, let's get down to business. Datavault AI, or DVLT, closed out December 31st, 2025 with an absolute bang. This wasn't just a gentle rise, this was a launch. So what exactly fueled this rocket? There are three main engines powering this surge, and they're all pretty compelling. First up, the special dividends. Datavault announced a special dividend of stock warrants with a record date of January 7th, 2026. For those unfamiliar, warrants give shareholders the right, but not the obligation, to buy more stock at a predetermined price in the future. This is essentially a bonus for existing shareholders and a huge incentive for new investors to jump in before that record date to capture this potential upside. But wait, there's more. They also approved a dividend of Dream Bowl meme coin, 2 tokens. Now, meme coins can be volatile, but the sheer novelty and potential for speculative gains can attract a certain type of investor, adding to the buzz around DVLT. Next, a glimpse into the future, CES 2026. The company announced they'll be showcasing at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES 2026 in Las Vegas. CES is where big tech players reveal their latest innovations, and Datavault plans to highlight their WiSA wireless audio modules and, of course, their core Datavault technologies. This is a massive platform for visibility, signaling to the market that they're not just innovating, but they're ready to show it off on a global stage. This kind of forward-looking announcement creates excitement and confidence in their product's pipeline. And finally, the big leagues, index addition and strategic deals. Rumors and reports are swirling about DVLT's addition to the S&P Semiconductors index. Being added to a major index is a huge deal. It often triggers institutional buying because many funds are mandated to hold stocks that are part of these indexes. It's like getting an official stamp of approval. On top of that, they've been busy forging significant partnerships, a $150 million transaction with Silex Holding Company and a multi-million-dollar agreement with Triton Geothermal for real-world asset, or RWA, tokenization. These aren't small potatoes. These are substantial deals that demonstrate real business growth and a clear path to revenue. So, looking ahead to 2026, could DVLT be a good play for investors? Absolutely. There's a strong case to be made for continued upside. The strategic agreements, particularly in the RWA tokenization space, position Datavault at the forefront of a rapidly evolving and potentially massive market. The continued innovation with WiSA technology and the exposure from CES could lead to increased product adoption and partnerships. Plus, with the momentum from institutional inclusion, more institutional money could flow in, providing a more stable base for the stock. The special dividends, while creating short-term spikes, also generate loyalty and interest among shareholders, which can lead to longer-term holding. But of course, no stock journey is without its bumps in the road. The first thing to keep in mind is the volatility. A 30% jump in a single day is fantastic, but it also means the stock can swing wildly. The meme coin Dividend, while exciting, also introduces a speculative element that can lead to unpredictable price movements. Another factor to watch closely is insider selling. We saw significant insider sales by Silex Holding Co., unloading over $12.7 million worth of DVLT shares in the final days of December. While this could be for tax reasons or portfolio rebalancing, it's always something to be aware of, as large insider sales can sometimes signal a lack of confidence from those who know the company best. So what's the takeaway? DVLT just had a phenomenal day, driven by a perfect storm of positive news, special dividends, major tech showcases, and strategic growth. For 2026, the potential for continued expansion in the RWA tokenization market and increased visibility is certainly there. However, like any high-growth stock, it comes with its fair share of risks, particularly volatility and the signals from insider activity. That's it for today's Daily Stock Drop. What do you think about DVLT? Are you bullish, bearish, or just watching from the sidelines? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a drop. Until next time, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.